Oh, sweetie, but you used to love it there when you were a kid.
Yeah, well, not anymore, okay? There's other things that I want to be doing with my time. One more step. Just one more step.
We are so lost. Well, you might be lost.
Was it always so peaceful here? Let's go.
My heart is beating much faster. These are these moments that we love in our careers when something like that, and you told me on the phone a couple of minutes ago that this is what it is, and you have not overpromised anything. Now, this show car is a statement, and Oliver Stefani is our head of design, and he's here with me. Oliver, you and your team have done a tremendous job, and we need to learn more about the design. So congratulations. Give us more insights, please.
Thank you, Klaus. Thank you very much. Well, I can say we're really very proud of it. This car represents everything our brand stands for. In fact, it is a manifestation of our new design language, and we call it Modern Solid.
Modern Solid is something that we have not used so far, and it really are the attributes that you're going to hear more often. I have to say, when I first looked at the design sketches, the ideas, I was also impressed by the mix of emotions and functionality. And I think this speaks a certain language as well, right?
I think it's all about this. Functionality evokes emotions, and emotions could be transferred into the functions. To achieve this, we created 3 design values: solid, functional, and authentic. Solid is maybe the most important for us, because we understand this as modern simplicity. And look how simple and beautiful the side of the car is. The solid design is not boring, it's attractive. And our Vision S concept is the proof of it. Second value is functional. In our approach, we are talking about delightful practicality. As you know, Skoda is everything about space and roominess. But to this Vision 7S, we added this elegant aero roofline and other aero elements to extend the range to be the maximum. And this makes our vision practical in every way, and there are much more ideas in the interior. We will discuss this later. To be authentic today is also very important. We are talking about honest design of Skoda. We changed almost everything you can imagine in our car design, but in the same time, it is authentic and linked to our typical Skoda elements, like, for instance, the 4i design in our front. And all this must be modern and unique. So, here it is, our new design, modern design state. This is our vision for the future, Klaus. We like it.
The future, next generation, of course. So thank you, Oliver. Now, I think you already alluded to that. We need to talk into more detail and depth about this car. So I think everybody is keen to learn more about it. Carry on.
All right. So for the next step, I would like to invite my team. I would like to invite Karl Neuhold, Peter Ola, and Katka Kate Vanova. Please come on stage. Welcome. Thanks a lot. So, Karl, please, give us your insight in the modern solid design language of this car, please.
You're welcome. Dear ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Let's have a look on the features of the all-new ŠKODA VISION 7S. On the front, you can see as well, it surprises with a new graphic. And we start here with the Skoda work mark above, embedded in a very beautiful concave power dome. On the side, you can see it's above the beautiful tech deck here, which is covering all the assistance systems. And the tech deck is flanked by very characterful D-shaped front lights. Let's come to the side of the all-new Skoda VISION 7S. It has a very nice streamlined roofline, but it gives a nice contrast with a very beautiful graphic here, which has a strong vertical cut here in the back. But still, it looks fluent by having here a strong feature of the fin LED on the back. On the side, you can see as well very clean, modern simplicity. We have here the wheel arches done also with a strong contrast by having here, you can see a squarish cutout, but having here with the round opening just to fulfill the aerodynamical requirements. Let's continue to the side. We come now to the back. And here again, the Skoda work mark is flanked by D-shaped rear lamps again, cooperation into the front, giving the car, I think, a very strong identity. Dear colleagues, and Oliver, the word is yours.
Thank you, Karl. Thank you for your explanation. I think it's very interesting to see this. Peter, and the interior, modern solid in the interior, what does it mean?
Ali, in the interior, we have really a lot of clever ideas that the interior design team put into it. I will mention just 3 of them. First of all, the car is in the interior very spacious. It's a 7-seater, but we like to call it 6+1 because you have the child seat directly in the center of the car in the most safest position for driving. And what could represent better the Skoda family approach than the newborn child? Then the next big thing, what we did, is we completely reworked the whole user experience. In the middle, we have the vertical touchscreen for the perfect clustering of the information, and we really seek for the perfect balance between virtual and physical controllers. And I have to mention our 3 rotary knobs in the middle console, and as well the seamless integration of the personal devices that can only enhance the overall experience. And as we speak about electric car, the charging time is always an issue, the time you have to spend by charging. So we created 2 modes. One, normal one for driving, and then the second one, where the dashboard drives away, screen moves up, turns into the horizontal setup, your seat brings you into comfort position, and you can really relax while driving. We call it, obviously, relax mode.
Super. Thank you very much, Peter. And Kate, last but not least, color and trim.
Exactly. Last but not least, materials and colors for our Vision 7S. The main idea, or actually the biggest inspiration, comes from the outdoor performance, but not only for that, for the whole new design language. We focus on the sustainable materials, which are in the same time durable and functional. The main highlights are, by the way, for the first time introduced in the whole Skoda history, are, as we mentioned, or Peter, the interactive surface doors panels, then the tire veneer floor in the whole interior and also in the trunk, and the last but not least, beautiful matte paint, which we called Explore Green, which is perfectly matching with the modern solid philosophy.
Guys, super job. Thank you. Great teamwork, congratulations. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah?
Thank you, Ali.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, Klaus,
Olli, good job. Thank you very much, Oliver, Carl, Katka, and Peter, for your Vision 7S. Okay. That was almost like Christmas, a Christmas present to me, and maybe to you as well, because it embodies everything that we talked about leading up to our new approach of a new brand, new design direction, new CI.
Thank you.